Hi everybody, my name is Christopher Fodnelli, and this is the last video of the Track Builder series. So what we did, we created our rolling systems, we created our links, as well as we updated our links and rolling systems due to data specifics. So now what we're going to do is we are going to use the Track Builder to update the link geometries for soft soil interaction, and then input a soft soil road, and then run the model. Let's get started. Going back to the model, going to the Track Builder, we're going to select Update Link Geometries. In the pop-up window, we're going to select User Input. We're going to update the link width and X and Z center of gravity data, as we can see in the picture to the right. Based on the link geometry, there can be multiple contact points. If we select different contact points, we can see that the definition picture to the right has updated. So this will give detailed information on the inputs needed for the link geometry. For this example, it's a 2 contact point geometry. So I'm going to update the parameters here. Now I have that all set up. I'm going to say OK. So now all the link geometries are updated. I'm going to save the model one more time. Now what needs to be done is a motion entity needs to be applied to both revolute joints of the sprockets. So we go to the model ribbon, select motion. I'm going to select the revolute joint for each sprocket. And once I've done that for both, I am going to update the motion. All right, now that all set up, I'm going to select the motion, go into Entity Editor, change the property from displacement to velocity. And for the property, I'm going to change it from linear to expression. And now I am going to open up the expression builder and apply a motion profile from a negative step function, as you can see on the screen. I'm just going to copy that, make sure it's evaluated, and then I'm going to paste it in the motion for the next sprocket. Now what I want to do is I want to import the soft soil road that the links are referenced to. So I'm going to go to Vehicle Tools, select Road Tools, open up the RDF that they're referenced to. Next, I'm going to hit OK, and so now the road is going to be imported into MotionView. By default, the reference frame is set to global, so that's why we see the road going through the tracks. So we go to the graphics entity and change the marker from the global frame to the road reference marker. We can see that the road is now perfectly aligned to our tracks. Now is a good time to resave the model as a new version. With everything set up, we just want to make sure that the runtime is going to be 5 seconds. You can always do more. And now what we want to do is run the simulation and view the results. This is going to take some time to run, so I'll see you guys when the run is complete. Okay, so after some time, the motion solve is complete. Now what I want to do is view the results. So I'm going to go to Run History, select the run, and hit Animate to open up Hyperview. In Hyperview, I'm just going to rearrange the window, and what I want to enable is Contour, and I'm going to select Plastic Sinkage, which is from the soft soil road. I'm going to select the road, hit Apply, and process all the steps and run animation. Okay, so now we can view the results. We can see that the tracks do start and they are interacting with the soft soil road. This was a video series demo on how to use the Track Builder for a track system. That is all for today. Thank you and have a good day.